Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Grammar, Grammar for Beginners, prepared and presented by Mr. Ahmed Adel Qura, English language teacher. Lesson 1. Present Continuous Tense. زمن المضارع المستمر. The present continuous is used to talk about present situations which we see as short time or temporary. بنستخدم زمن المضارع المستمر للحديث عن مواقف بتتم بشكل مؤقت أو بتتم في فترة قصيرة. We use the present symbol to talk about present situation which we see as long-term or permanent. أما زمن المضارع البسيط أنا بستخدمه للحديث عن مواقف أو أحداث بتتم على المدى البعيد أو بتتم بشكل دائم. In these examples, the action is taking place at the time of speaking. في الأمثلة اللي قدامنا دي الأحداث بتتم في لحظة الكلام. It's raining. It's raining. إنها تمطر. Who is Sally talking to on the phone? Who is Sally talking to on the phone? سالي بتكلم مين على التليفون أو من الشخص الذي تتحدث إليه سالي في التليفون. Look, somebody is trying to steal that man's wallet. Look, somebody is trying to steal that man's wallet. انظر، شخص ما يحاول سرقة محفظة هذا الرجل. I'm not looking. My eyes are closed tightly. I'm not looking. My eyes are closed tightly. أنا مش ببص. أنا لست أنظر. My eyes are closed tightly. عيني مغلقة بإحكام. In these examples, the action is true at the present time, but we don't think it will be true in the long term. في الأمثلة اللي قدامنا الحدث بيتم في الوقت المضارع ولكن لن يتم على المدى البعيد ولن يستمر على المدى البعيد. I'm looking for a new apartment. I'm looking for a new apartment. أنا بدور على شقة جديدة. البحث هيتم بشكل مؤقت لغاية ما الاقي شقة جديدة وانتقل إليها. هنا عملية البحث مش هتتم لمدة طويلة ومش هتتم على المدى البعيد. He is thinking about leaving his job. He is thinking about leaving his job. هو بيفكر في ترك الوظيفة. Are you getting enough sleep? Are you getting enough sleep? هل حصلت على قدر كافي من النوم؟ In these examples, the action is at a definite point in the future and it has already been arranged. في الأمثلة اللي قدامنا الحدث هيكون بيتم في نقطة محددة في المستقبل تم الترتيب إليها. I'm meeting her at 6:30. I'm meeting her at 6:30. أنا هقابلها 6:30. يبقى أنا كده أخدت القرار ومتفق على المقابلة ومحدد الميعاد. They aren't arriving until Tuesday. هم مش هيوصلوا قبل يوم الثلاثاء. Isn't he coming to the dinner? Isn't he coming to the dinner? هو مش هيجي العشاء. Let's practice together. I am writing, playing, flying, or eating a story right now. The correct answer is I am writing a story right now. It's swimming, spinning, running, raining. We need an umbrella. The correct answer is it's raining. What are you eating, loving, thinking, standing about? The correct answer is what are you thinking about? I am drinking, driving, raining, meeting Sally at 7:30 outside the theater. I'm meeting Sally at 7:30 outside the theater. Who are you? Who are you going, talking, seeing, visiting to on the phone? Who are you talking to on the phone?